In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to message Agoda host. Whether you need to confirm check-in details, ask about amenities, or arrange an airport pickup, reaching the host directly through Agoda keeps everything organized and secure. First, open your browser and go to the Agoda website. If you aren't already signed in, log into the same account you used to make your booking so your reservations show up automatically. On the home page, look toward the top right corner for the small profile icon. That's your account menu and the gateway to your reservations and messages. From that menu, choose My Trips. This takes you to a page that lists all your upcoming and past stays linked to your account. Select the booking you want to discuss. Inside the booking details, you'll find an option to contact the property, often labeled Message Host or Contact Property. Click that to open the chat window. Type your message clearly and keep it focused. It helps to include your expected arrival time, the total number of guests, and any specific questions like parking, late check-in, or accessibility. Avoid sharing sensitive information such as payment details. The built-in messaging keeps your conversation tied to the reservation, which is safer for both sides and makes it easy for customer support to help if needed. To view replies or continue the conversation later, go back to the top right and open the profile menu again, then choose Property Messages. That's your centralized inbox for all conversations with hosts. Here you can read new messages, send follow-ups, and keep everything in one place. If you rely on quick responses, consider enabling notifications in your account or app settings so you don't miss a reply, especially on the day you travel. If you don't see your booking in My Trips, double-check that you're signed into the correct account and that you're looking under Upcoming rather than Past Trips. If messaging isn't available yet, the property may not accept messages before a certain date. Checking back closer to your stay usually resolves that. Keep your tone courteous and specific, and try to bundle related questions in one message to make it easier for the host to answer promptly. And that's it. Go to Agoda, open the profile menu, select My Trips to message your host, and later return to the profile menu to open property messages and read your replies. With these steps, you'll have a smooth line of communication ready for your stay.